Did you know a 19-year-old girl outwitted 70 trained lawyers and theologians in court, and they killed her anyway? Joan of Arc was captured by the English in 1431 and put on trial in Rouen. The goal was simple: get her to say something that would justify executing her. The judges were professionals. She was a peasant girl with no legal training. But the transcripts survived, and they tell a different story. She deflected traps. She exposed contradictions. She remembered every word she had said in previous sessions and held her ground. Then came the question designed to destroy her. Was she in God's grace? If she said yes, it was arrogance. If she said no, she was confessing guilt. She answered, "If I am not, may God put me there. If I am, may God keep me there." The room went silent. 70 trained men had no response. They burned her 3 months later, not because she lost, because she kept winning, and they could not afford to let her walk out.